Can keep my hands on myself. Think I'll dust them